Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a DWP 3110-72. This is a two-piece kit that fits both the left and right side doors. You can also get them individually. It's going to fit a 72 to 77 full-size Dodge truck. The tools you'll need are Let's get started. First thing you need to do is remove the old seal. Now in this cap someone's used a universal push-on style seal. The OEM would have been glued on. So you're going to go ahead and take this one off. Now you can see here some of the adhesive left over from the original OEM part. We'll continue to pull this one off. As you can see on our cab here we have some rust and leftover adhesive from the OEM seal. So I'm going to go ahead and take a wire brush and lightly clean off this rust. I'm going to go back over it with a general purpose cleaner and clean up this flange as best we can to ensure proper adhesion between the seal and the metal flange. Now we have the pinch well cleaned up as well as we can get it here. I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive on the flange and use the brush to spread it out. We're going to do small sections at a time. You also notice I have some tape set up here so I can tape the molding down when we get to that point. I'm going to go ahead I'm going to open up the channel here and I'm going to put some adhesive in the channel and I'm going to go back with a brush and spread it out. Okay, we're going to let that tack up per the adhesive manufacturer's recommendations. Use my tape it down. Continue along. And we'll pick the next section and we'll repeat the process going up the door. One tip I have for you when working with adhesive is wear 2 or maybe even 3 pairs of gloves, because you're going to get adhesive on your glove. And what you can do is you take off the outer layer, discard it inside out, and now you have a clean glove already on your hand and you can continue putting seal on. You'll find our part is a little longer to account for variances. So what you're going to need to do is line it up in the corner, and you're going to cut it about 1/4 inch longer than you need it, and then we're going to glue this section back down. Now we're going to go ahead and follow the adhesive manufacturer's instructions as far as letting this sit here and dry and cure totally before you close the door.